So I'm going to be showing you how you can actually make close to $1,000 in a month. You get. So this is actually a very good idea, which I'm going to be showing to you on this video. So if you're actually new to this channel, kindly subscribe by clicking the subscribe button and click on the notification bell to get notified when I drop new videos. So at the end of the day, if you like this video, you can click on thumbs up right below. That is actually free. So let's jump into the content. So I will actually tell you, yeah, we're actually using Upwork again to get a job, again. So Upwork is actually a freelance website where you can actually get a job easily. So you can actually what's it called, sign up on Upwork. Just click on sign up here. You're actually going to get verified easily here. So just post a lot of things like what you actually do on Upwork. Probably you want to do something graphical or something. But for the meantime, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually make money with Upwork and that GPT. Yeah. So now we're going to be searching for writing right here. So we're going to writing. Yeah. So it's going to be showing us should be showing, yeah, it's going to be showing us a lot of writing and suggestion here. So we're going to go, you can actually write click on the article writing or blog writing. You can actually click on anyone. So for this example, I'm actually going to be writing, I'm going to be clicking article writing again. I'm very sorry about the noise on the background. It's actually a very bad time for me in this video. So this is actually the options actually showing us. You can see that we got a lot of jobs. We got 1,636 1,316 jobs found here. So now we're going to be checking the ones we want to get and the amounts we are actually winning. You want to, as a beginner, you want to start with a little range of money you get. If you want to actually build them, that this is the amount you want to get. So you want to start with, probably if they say they're going to pay 20, start with 5. Yeah, what I'm saying. So right here you see a conservative political right. Conservative political right, yeah, this one I won't actually tell you to actually jump on that. So I'll be like stock investing for beginners, how to buy your stock, blah, blah, blah. So how to buy, this one is actually not really giving us what we want. This one is a blog right about this. So this one is actually telling you to actually write a blog on keto diets, which is actually like a weight loss stuff you get. It's probably going to tell you to actually put links into it. You get, this is actually $1,000. That means yeah, I need to go deep into SEO and try to like make things work for the what is it called, for the blog. And it's actually going to be linking his link. Probably is actually an affiliate marketer you get, because it's actually going to leave the link in the blog. So it's going to tell you about that. So friend to English content writer, no, an article on how sugar can change your brain. So this is actually an article on how sugar can change your, hello, I need a writer to compose an article titled how sugar can change your brain. Make sure you are good at writing articles. Make sure you have the required skills for this job. The total word count is 6,000. So this is actually what we're actually looking for. So I'm going to be clicking on that and opening a new tab. So here's another one. It's actually script writer for tech. 5 best YouTube videos. I need a good English script writer too, who can create tech video scripts like 5 best mirrorless cameras. There's when applying, please provide an, okay. This one is actually not what you actually jump into. Now health benefit of pumpkin seed. So this one is actually the topic. So they want you to write on them. Probably they want to sell it, you get, or something. So they said you should actually write 6,000 words, word count. Yeah. So it's actually an article on that. Yeah. So probably they're actually working and see actually the money they want to give you is actually like the estimated budget for this work is actually 180. So probably if you want to jump into this, I would say probably you should actually just ask for maybe 90 is better. Probably at the end of the day, you're going to get 85 due to Upwork removing his own amount of fee, or maybe 80, depends on what. I don't know how to calculate that again. So let's move on. So this is actually the first one I have done, an article on how sugar can change your brain. So this is what he said you should actually write, and is actually this is what he wants to give out for the job. Is ready to actually offer you $200 for the job you get. So probably you can actually ask for 120. You get what I'm saying? So I'm looking for a mixed experience and value. So it's from Germany, yeah. So the project, one time project, yeah. So right here it said similar job on Upwork, okay. So right here, upgrade your membership to see the bid range. Wow. So I'm actually going to apply by clicking here. So this is the browser right here. So now what we can actually do is actually do ChatGPT, which is the AI we're actually using for this write up to actually create a proposal for you. But if you don't want to, then you actually write a proposal yourself. So actually not ChatGPT is actually AI where you can actually like to write a serious article and actually listen to this week. Like when writing, you get on. So it's going like articles. If you tell him to like actually write an article on how the world revolves around the sun, is actually going to write it for you. Yeah, it's actually a writing AI that it generates its article from the program. What I'm actually planning to tell you guys actually is right here again. Right, proposal like where you're going to write a proposal that's like a comment saying probably what your experience is. You have read this, you need to like tell him that okay, you have seen this article, that this stuff he wrote, and you are ready to actually give him the 100% um work in it to make the article very successful. You get what I'm saying? So you need to put everything right in, and you can actually use ChatGPT to actually create that for you, which that is actually easy because you're going to be submitting a lot of proposals, and you might not get like you might not get a lot of feedbacks, or you can get feedbacks if you submit a lot of proposals. You get what I'm saying? At least try to submit, let's say, 15 to 20 proposals. Try as much as possible for that. So then you write a cover. After writing a cover, you can actually attach something. Probably you browse things out. You get what I'm saying? Or you write something, you go to Google Doc, which is you can actually go to Google Doc, tell GPT to actually write something for you, like probably a topic. You develop a topic like the one I actually said, that how the earth revolves around the sun. Develop a very good topic. Try to change things ChatGPT is actually giving you, because ChatGPT is actually not going to give you everything like correctly. You get what I'm saying? Like some things, like minor things will be wrong with it, or it might be you might be lucky and everything is good. You get, you might not repeat some stuff, so you need to check it before you submit them. You get what I'm saying? So let me show you how ChatGPT works. So this is actually ChatGPT right here. You can see it right there. So what you are actually going to be doing is like for the attachment, which is right here. You can actually like develop a topic, like an article on how probably the earth revolves around the sun, or what what would benefit from drinking water. You get, just write an article, any article, and put it on Google Doc. You get, then save it as documents. Then you can attach it. You can write like a 302 um proof to be shown right here. Okay, so this cover letter, which is right here, you can actually like tell ChatGPT to be like, can you're going to ask him, it's like you're chatting with the stuff. yeah, so you can be like, can you write a proposal proposal can you write a proposal and on getting a job and on getting probably on getting this article job or something. Just try and ask him something again. So let's see if he's actually going to understand that. So yeah, he's actually writing something. So I'm writing an express. So you can actually tell him that yeah, I don't want his proposal to be actually much. I want it to be a little bit. It should be shorter and let's say being professional. Okay. So I would say I want this to be short, okay, and very professional, very professional. Should be short as possible, less as possible, and very professional. You get. So I actually get So let's see what is actually going to write. So I'm going to express my interest in this article, especially and yeah. So it's actually making it short. Probably if you don't like it that way, yeah, you can actually do something else. So I'm going to copy all this, okay, then you need to edit it, okay, I'm saying. So you need to put it right here. So you see, then you're going to edit this, put your name, let's say Benson. You should bring up to the about really. Then you put dear Sir Omar right here. You don't know the name of the person, right? Kind of. So Sir or Madam, yeah. So that's actually so you're gonna read it through. I am writing to express my interest in the article writing position advertised, especially the article on how sugar affects the brain. You get. So it's actually like a very good write up cover write letter which you can actually submit to them, and you need to actually submit a lot of proposal if you want to get feedbacks. You get need to submit a lot and make it more professional, say, and try to read them through. So when they get you the job, you can actually just ask ChatGPT to actually write an article. So you can be like, copy this bar, put it right here. Like, can you write an article on this thing? Oh, on this. You check the criteria they actually give you. You see, it said 6,000 word, and you'll be like, must be more than, let's say, 6,000 words. Can't get. That's what they say. You should actually check up on. Get what I'm saying. So yes, it told you can actually do that. Yes, I can write an article on how sugar can change due to the why it may take some time to complete. Maybe I know the deadline for this article. Deadline as in how. So probably we're going to say today. Let's say today. So probably I'm sorry, but it's not fair to write and what as a goal on such and sensitive in my overall research and I advise to write such an article more effort and ensure high quality. Moreover, I need to ensure that the article is probably fact checked appropriately. lovely and free value. Okay, this is the first time ChatGPT is actually telling this, so I will actually tell him that I actually write this and ask him again. You get what I'm saying? Wow. So why is it now telling me this shit right now? You get? I was thinking probably it's actually the AI doing rubbish because I was thinking why is it showing me that? So it's actually giving you outline of what you can actually just use Google Doc, you get, to like write all these things. If you don't have Microsoft Word, just copy and paste. Yeah, try to change some things, really out really before submitting it. So that's how you actually get that done. You get, you don't need to like stress yourself, and you can actually submit a lot of proposal. Yeah. So if you've actually seen my video to this extent, I will actually employ you guys to actually subscribe if you like this video, if you think it's actually very good for you, or you actually benefit from them. So you can actually like click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell to get notified when I drop new videos. You get what I'm saying? So if you like this particular video, and you notice that it's actually helping you, you can actually make money through that. Even though you will definitely actually make money through that if you take it serious. So if you know you actually can make money through that and you gain a lot from this video, you can actually click on like in your get, and I will really appreciate that. Thank you.